Hi friends, today we will prepare macaroni pasta, vegetable only. So first boil some water, and after that, after the water will finally boiled, after that we will add macaroni pasta to this. Okay, first boil the water. Okay, now as you can see the water is boiling. So first I am adding some soya chunks to this. Let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now remove this. And after removing this, add macaroni pasta to this. Now add macaroni pasta to boil. Then boil till it's done. Okay, boil it well. I have already boiled the pasta, and now let the kettle heat properly, and after that add oil. After the oil gets boiled, add garlic and chopped onions, and fry the onion till the onion will get the color light brown. Okay, now see the onion's color is light brown. Now add the soybean to this. This soybean only I cut it into small pieces. Okay, now add salt and turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and red chili powder. Then mix it well. Fry the masala. Fry the masala till 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, the masala is fried so well. Now add the macaroni pasta. See, I will make the pasta like this. I will get boiled this. The pasta will turn to this size. I will boil it. Now add soya sauce. After that add chili sauce and tomato sauce. Now mix this all for hardly 2 minutes. Okay, mix this for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't make this mixture as a paste. Mix till 1 second, 1 minute only, not more than that. Yeah, done friends. The macaroni pasta is ready now. If you don't want to add the sauce, then it's not a problem. The soya bean is also not mandatory. If you want, then you can add it. Otherwise, prepare with only with the vegetables. You can also add vegetables and onion. You can add and ginger also. That's it. If you like the recipe, then try it and please like my video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.